Zoom. You heard of this this new app? Everybody loves this Zoom app.
I like the backgrounds. It's kind of cool.
You get the fancy backgrounds. You're doing the conferencing. Your people are taking their classes on Zoom.
Yep.
It's a some people love it. Some people hate it. Some people are fed up. They're sick of Zoom.
What do you think about it?
I mean, it's a utility. It serves a purpose. It solved the problem with everybody being trapped at home.
Mm-hmm.
It seems like a thing that should exist. You should be able to hop on a call with a bunch of people. But in reality, it doesn't. My experience with it is it doesn't. It's still not a substitute for the real thing. Everyone has to wait their turn to talk, and the audio quality and lighting in the difference. I mean, it's imperfect. I don't know. That's not really to say much about the product itself. More, what are the limitations of video conferencing? This whole lockdown thing kind of really opened my eyes to the fact that we have gamers out there with the no latency, crazy ping, amazing experience on online gaming. You boot up Warzone and shoot a guy halfway across the world and it's all instantaneous. And then I hop on a Zoom and somebody's got the like pixelated garburator type audio.
Their head is a pixel.
You know what I'm saying? And you're saying that thinking, wait, shouldn't video conferencing in 2020 be a little bit more sophisticated? Isn't that I go back and watch the clip from Space Odyssey 2001, and the guy's having a video conference with his daughter in 1960, whenever that movie came out, and their projection of the future, it's a perfect video feed.
Mm-hmm.
And for some reason, like this is similar to the thing where Apple keeps putting terrible webcams in their laptops. Why is this? Why do we not care more about video conferencing quality, and why does it have to be so terrible? Well, anyways, nonetheless, India's richest man is prepared to take on Zoom himself. This is the guy with the Geo Fiber. This is the guy trying to get the gigabit everywhere. And, well, he's become wealthy because of it. You can probably tell. That's how you get, that's how you become the richest man.
Mm-hmm.
You try to deliver fiber well, and people will be a big fan of you. And I'm sure he's done plenty more, but he's got a new product. It's called Geo Meet, which of course goes up against Google Meet as well as Zoom. It's going to offer unlimited free calls in high definition 720p, and it's going to support as many as 100 participants on a call.
Wow,
that's a few participants. Holy moly! I mean, what kind of work is getting done there? And here's the crazy part: no, I don't know about the other platforms because I never tested it, but there's no time limit on the call duration. You should be able to have a uninterrupted call for up to 24 hours. What are you doing? Hey, what is this call? That's a marathon call, 24 hours.
Yeah.
You must really miss somebody 24 hours in.
Just live streaming.
I can't handle anybody for 20. I can't handle a 10-minute call. I'm getting stressed out. 24 hours. It must be useful to somebody. Anyways, so they're putting out this Geo Meet. It doesn't look like they're going to want to charge any money for it. And here's an interesting part of it. There's going to be a safe driving mode for when a participant is in commute. So you hop on the call in the commute, Will.
Oh, okay.
You got a bit of a commute right now.
Yeah. It's pretty long.
So imagine you could be on Geo Meet.
I mean, it's not too bad. Keep me company during the car ride.
Who are you going to call, though, in the car? What are we going to do? Have a meeting?
I mean, Otis,
okay, fine.
You know.
We'll have a meeting starting tomorrow.
Yeah.
Well, Geo Meet is not even available to us, I don't think. It's crazy how this whole marketplace has exploded. It's like no one was saying Zoom, and then the lockdown happened, and Zoom became a whole meme. It became a whole...
Yeah.
Everybody knew overnight. Zoom is currently the most popular video conference service, not just here, but in India as well. On Android alone, 35 million monthly active users in the third week of June. Wow. Holy moly. Up from 4 million users during the same period in March. Look at that increase. No wonder you want to get into that business. Holy users. App Annie data, of which an industry executive shared with TechCrunch, Android actually powers 99% of smartphones in India. Wow. That goes to show you how little market penetration iOS has in India. 99% of mobile devices, smartphones, are powered by Android over there. So anyways, there's obviously a huge market here. He's getting involved. Will it displace Zoom? We shall see. It's going to have to be better, I guess.